Your and your is another English teacher's favourite thing to moan about. They have so many. One of the great joys of this job is you get these little messages from pupils, and it's great. And it's things like, "You're the best tutor in the world," and that really appeals to my vanity. I feel great. It makes me walk 10 foot tall for a day. Problem is, they very often use this or, which of course is entirely the wrong one, because what they want is you are, which is the bottom. Let's do it. So this apostrophe, it's short for, let's have a nice, you are the best tutor in the world. Not that one. So I'm quite evidently the worst tutor in the world because I haven't taught it to them correctly. Still makes me feel good though, because find the laughs, my darlings. It's much better to find the laughs than look for the insults. See you soon.